Forget everything you know about wontons. If you think a wonton belongs only in a mild, gentle soup, you haven't been to Sichuan. This is Chao Shou. They are silky and tender, but swimming in a bowl of fiery, rich, and intensely fragrant chili oil. The folding is different, and the sauce is legendary. Get ready, this is authentic Sichuan street food. Come take a look. Here's how I make classic Sichuan Chao Shou. First up, the filling is the secret to make Chao Shou truly juicy and tender. We start by making our flavor base. Mince some ginger, add a few Sichuan peppercorns, and green onion. Then pour in hot water to release those essential aromas. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Now prepare your ground pork. Season it simply with salt, pepper, and soy sauce. Mix well. Here's a key technique. We're going to add the ginger water to the meat in 3 batches. You need to let the meat fully absorb each addition before pouring in the next. This hydrates the meat and locks in the juiciness. Add 1 egg and a touch of starch. Then mix until you see the pork become smooth, sticky, and visible bouncy. That's when it's perfect. Now let's wrap the Chao Shou. And why do we call it Chao Shou? Let me show you. Place a small spoonful of filling right in the center of the wrapper. Fold it in half and press the edges firmly to seal. Then dab a little water on one corner and fold the 2 corners so they literally cross over each other, like 2 hands folding in front of your chest. That's where the name comes from. Chao Shou literally means crossed hands. As you fold, use your middle finger to push up gently on the center of the wrapper. This creates a little cup for the filling and gives it that beautiful, authentic crescent shape. It's time to create the soul of this dish. In a bowl, add minced garlic, chili powder, Sichuan peppercorn powder, and sesame seeds. Now pour hot oil right over them to bloom all that fragrance. Then add chicken powder, salt, soy sauce, and a splash of hot water. Boil a pot of water. Drop Chao Shou in gently and give them a small stir so they don't stick to the bottom. When they float and the wrappers turn silky and slightly transparent, they were done. About 3 minutes. Just look at this color, soft, silky, perfectly coated in that spicy, aromatic chili oil. If you've only ever had clear soup wontons before, you must try Sichuan Chao Shou. It will change the way you think about wontons forever. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe,